Don't stay awake for too long, don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head to get you up and going out of bed. Yeah, don't stay awake for too long, don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head to get you up and going out of bed. Yeah. Hey everyone, Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons. I love this song, and so I wanted to teach it to you guys. It's just been on my mind lately. I was just hanging out last night by myself, and just decided to play this song. So I thought I'd teach it to you guys. I know there's other requests. I'm gonna get to them, okay? But and also someone has asked for like a cover, and I'm gonna do that too. Covers just take a little bit longer because I have to like learn all the lyrics and stuff, and so I'm gonna do it. Just know that it just takes me a little bit longer to do a cover, okay? So I'm gonna do those things for you guys. Real quick, thanks so much everyone for watching, for everyone who subscribed and hit like and commented and asked for other songs you'd like to learn. Please let me know of any other songs you'd like to learn, whether they're country or not. I mean, country is what I mainly do. Obviously this song isn't country, but I just, I'm happy to teach you guys whatever. So, and to all of you who haven't subscribed yet, I'd ask you to please hit subscribe and like so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials in the future, okay? So, let's get into it. This song is called Deathbed, okay, by Powfu, featuring Biba Doozy, I think. Biba Doobie, sorry. But anyway, so Biba Doobie. So this song is really easy to play. The strumming pattern is the same throughout the whole thing, okay? But it's in standard tuning and there's no capo, all right? So I'm gonna show you real quick. I'm gonna walk you through some of the lyrics and stuff, but the way the song starts, so that the chords you're gonna need for the song are C, C major 7. All that is C, but you lift off your pointer finger if you don't know that one, okay? So it's C, C major 7, and then F, okay? That's not a hard transition, okay? And then F minor, meaning you lift up your middle finger. So the chord transitions are very easy in this song. Okay? So that's the chord progression. You just repeat that over and over. So it's C, C major 7, F, F minor. Okay? Now I'm going to show you the strumming pattern for that. So it's C is down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Then you lift off. So you just do that, and then you go to the next one. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so now I'll do it one more time really slow. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so that's how you play it. So the way you're going to start the song is you're going to go, don't is where you start doing C. So you start singing as soon as you start strumming. Don't stay awake for too long. And then right after too long, you're going to go to C major 7. Start before you get a don't. Don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee. So coffee is where you're going to go to F, okay? Coffee for your head. It'll get you up and going. So going is where you go to F minor, where you just lift up your middle finger, okay? It'll get you up and going out of bed. Yeah. Okay? So then you're just going to keep repeating that as you play through the verses. I'll walk you through the first verse where he's like rapping it and stuff, but basically that's what you do for the intro. You're just playing the half of the chorus. So when you normally play the chorus, you just repeat what we just did. But this time you won't do that because then you're going to the next verse. So then you're just going to do the same thing. I'd probably do it a little bit louder during the verses. Sorry, during the chorus and intro. But during the verses, I'd probably do it a little bit softer. Okay. So it's yeah. Okay, you end on that. Yeah. Okay, then it's I don't want to fall asleep. So you do, on C is where you do I don't, okay? I don't want to fall asleep. I don't want to pass away. Okay, then you go to C major 7. I've been thinking of our future 'cause I'll never see those days. Then F, okay, so right after days. I don't know why this has happened, but I probably deserve it. Then F minor 7, okay, after it. All right. I tried to do my best, but you know that I'm not perfect. Then C again after perfect, okay? I've been praying for forgiveness. You've been praying for my health, okay? After health, then you do C major 7. When I leave this earth, hoping you'll find someone else. Then F, okay? Cause yeah, we still young. There's so much we haven't done. Then after done, you go to so like kind of after each time, like each like line, then you'll switch chords in the verses. Okay, so then you go to F minor, and you do getting married, start a family, watch your husband with his son. Okay, then you go to C again after son. I wish it could be me, but I won't make it out of this bed. Okay, then after bed you lift up your pointer finger. So a lot of these chord progressions, these chord switches are so easy. But so then you go to C major 7 after bed, and you do I hope I go to heaven so I see you once again. Then F after that. My life was kind of short, but I got so many blessings. Okay, then what you could do here is you could either keep strumming it regular, or you could just do a single strum and go, happy you were mine. It sucks that it's all ending. Okay, so that's what you would do, or you could just keep strumming, and you can go. My life was kind of short, but I got so many blessings. Happy you were mine. It sucks that it's all ending. Don't stay awake for too long. Don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. Get you up and going out of bed. Yeah, don't stay awake for too long. Don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. Get you up and going out of bed. Yeah. And then you're going to the next verse. Okay, so that's actually how you play the entire song. So again, I'd probably play a little bit louder during the intro and the chorus, and then the verses I play a little bit softer. But you're just gonna do that same strumming pattern the whole time, okay? And the same chord progression the whole time. But yeah, that's it. So let me know if you guys have any questions, if you have any other song requests or anything. It's been a lot of fun. I love this song. I love playing guitar. So if you guys have any questions about it, let me know. And yeah, it's been good. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.